In this video, I'm going to show you how you can play the Google Doodle Games. I know that sounds funny, but that's what they called it. So I'm going to show you how you can play that. So you simply want to go to Google. So once you're here, you simply want to search for the Google Doodle Games. So they just brought these back like a few hours ago, I guess. As you can see right there, top stories. And then you can go to, let's see, you can scroll down. And right there, you'll see Google Doodles. And these are all these games as well, so you can click on one of those. For example, Pac-Man right there. If you then scroll down, you'll see Pac-Man Doodle made by Google, okay? So you can then click on it and you can then start playing it. Okay, so this works like, I mean, we all know how this works, right? So this is how you can play Pac-Man Doodle game, for example. If you want to play a different game, you can simply, let's go back. You can then simply click on one of these right here. So Doodle Cricket maybe. You can then click on it, scroll down, and then you want to find that link, and then you can start playing it. You can also simply search for Google Doodle Games and then go to their website right there. And then you'll find all of these, right? So this is pretty much how you can play the Google Doodle Games. So right there you can play Doodle Fruit Games. You can simply click on it right there. And you can then start playing, okay? So you can click right there to find all of these different, you see? So yeah, this is pretty much how you can do this. You can find out a bunch of information about it as well, but that's pretty much how you can play these new or like old Google Doodle games. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, let me know in the comments if it works, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.